friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with the topic of class 6th and chapter number 2, whole numbers. In this lecture we will discuss about a few pattern and few examples and also problem of exercise 2.3. First of all I want to tell you about pattern, that like you have a number, ठीक है, अपने कोई नंबर आ जाता है 1 to लेके 11 तक. Okay, you have number, how you can express like in line, rectangle, square and triangle. Okay, few of them you can express in the form of line. Every number you can express in the form of line. How? Like 1 there, you have to make 1 dot. Okay, here you will make 2 dot, here you will make 3, here you will make 4. Okay, here you will make 5. Means the pattern you can make in a line. Next is rectangle. Rectangle, we know that for rectangle we need length and breadth, this type of form. But here we can't make a rectangle with 1 point. So you can't make, so its answer will be no. Here yes, this yes for every pattern, because you can make a line for all the numbers. For rectangle, if you consider 2, there will be 2 dot, you can't make a rectangle. So for 3, you can't make a rectangle with the 3 dots. Okay, so same for 4 you can make rectangle. Why? Because here it is length also and breadth also, because 2 dot here, 2 this side. So its answer is yes. So here no. Okay, now for 5 you can also do not make a proper rectangle. So its answer is no. For 6 you can make yes. Similarly for yes, for this no. Then for yes. Okay, in this all you can make a line. Line you can make for everyone. Rectangle you can make for even numbers. Even numbers except this 2. In 2 you can't make. Other in odd even number you can make a rectangle. Okay, so this y means yes and means no. Then next is square. A square you can make with 1 no, with 2 no, with 3 no, with 4 you can make a square, because in this length and breadth both are equal. Length and breadth. For rectangle length more than breadth. For square length and breadth means all sides are equal. Okay, all sides should be equal. Okay, are equal. In this 5th no, in 6th no, 7 no, 8 also no, 9 yes you can make with 3 dots. Okay, 3 length and 3 breadth. Okay, so next for 10 no, for 11 also no. Now next is triangle. Triangle we can make generally of odd numbers. For this example, in 1 you can't make triangle, for 2 also, for 3 you can make triangle. How? Like this way. Okay, this is a triangle by using dot. Yes. Then for 4 no, for 5 you can't make a rectangle or triangle. For 6 you can make a triangle. 1 2 3 1 2 this. Then for 7 no. Why no? Because when you will make a downside 3 dot, then 4 dot, then 3, then 2, you can't make this. Okay, then for 8 no, for 9 no, for 10 you check 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 no, and for 11 no. Okay, for 11 you can make, just try to make with it. First of all 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 11 12 no. Okay, so these are the few. One of if them any is wrong, you try once yourself. Okay, try to complete this table. This table is given in your book on page number 42. So this was a table related to the pattern. This you try yourself. Next we will discuss few examples related to the patterns only. Next we have pattern in the form of number. In previous we discussed how we can convert number in the form of a diagram by using dots. Okay, now if numbers pattern are there, like 84 multiplied by 9, how we can do it? 84 into 10 minus 1. What it means, by using distributive property, you can do this 840 minus 84. You can calculate your answer easily. It is a pattern, like 84 multiplied by 99. How you can do? 84 multiply 100 minus 1. So what it means? 8400 minus 84. Okay, it is by using a distributive property. ठीक है, एक ਜਿਹੜਾ multiplication ਆ 84 ਦੀ 9 ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਤਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਲਿਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ 10 माइनस 1 फिर वो आंसर क्या आ जाएगा 840 माइनस 84 ਇੱਥੇ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਆ ਜਾਏਗਾ 99 ਨਾ 99 ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀ ਲਿਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ 100 ਮਾਈਨਸ 1 999 ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਲਿਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ 1000 ਮਾਈਨਸ 1 ਸੋ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਇੱਕ ਪੈਟਰਨ ਬਣ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇਹ ਸਬਟ੍ਰੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਆ ਮਲਟੀਪਲੀਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਆ ਇਹਨੂੰ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी ओवर सब्ट्रैक्शन ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਲਗਾ ਕੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੋਲਵ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ so it was about using distributive property and multiplication. Now if you want to multiply with the 5 25 and 125, okay, related with this I made one video also. In previous video I explained you, it's a link here, you can click on there and watch that video. So for this there they have given a clear cut idea that how you can multiply. Like if you want to multiply with 5, firstly how you can write 5 means 10 upon 2. अगर आप इसको सॉल्व करेंगे 10 upon 2 को, then what you will get a 5 only. So okay, ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਸੋਲਵ ਕਰਦੇ ਤਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸੇਮ 5 ਹੀ ਆਨਸਰ ਮਿਲਦਾ। ਜਦੋਂ ਮਤਲਬ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ 5 ਨਾਲ ਮਲਟੀਪਲਾਈ ਕਰਨਾ ਉਹਦੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, ਇਹਨੂੰ 10 ਨਾਲ ਮਲਟੀਪਲਾਈ ਕਰਕੇ 2 ਨਾਲ ਡਿਵਾਈਡ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਦੇਖੋ 10 ਨਾਲ ਮਲਟੀਪਲਾਈ ਕਰਕੇ ਕੀ ਆਏਗਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ 960 upon 2. Okay, so you get answer 480. Okay, same here if you want to multiply with 25. In case of 25, what you will do? Multiply with 100 divided by 4. So what you will get answer? You will get answer 9600 upon 4. Then you will get answer 2400. In similar way, you will multiply with 125. For that, what you will do? Multiply with 1000 divided by 8. So answer you got 96,000 divided by 8. Answer is 12,000. So these are pattern. This pattern will make your calculation easy. So now we will discuss a example and problem later with these pattern from exercise. Now students, exercise number 2.3. okay, from chapter number 2. In this first question, very important and easy. Which of the following will not represent 0? Okay, so in this 4 case you have to check that which answer is not representing 0. First case, you think that 1 plus 0, if we are adding in 1 0 there, when it is what is the outcome? That will be 1 only. because 1 में आपको अगर 0 को ऐड करते हैं तो आपके पास आंसर क्या आता है 1 आता है. Then next is 0 multiply 0. Definitely its answer will be 0. So now next 0 divided by 2, its also will be 0. Next also 10 minus 10, what is there? 0. 0 divided by 2, what will be its outcome? 0 only. So in other 3 cases that's answer is 0, but only in first case its answer is 1. Okay, it was first question. So one thing more I want to tell you, that if for example they have given here 2 upon 0, then if something by 0, then that answer is undefined. Okay, but it's very important thing there that if upon any number in a denominator, if there is a 0, then its answer is undefined. By chance here you got only 0 in a numerator. If it will be in a denominator, so what you will write? You will write that its answer is undefined. It is an extra term, I told you. Now second question. If the product of two whole number is 0, can we say that one of both of them will be 0? One or both? आपके पास condition क्या है? That two numbers are there, their product is 0. Okay, first condition that one of them will be 0. Suppose we took one number 1 and another is 0. So these are example only because they told you justify through example. We are taking example. First condition क्या है? 1. We took one of them 0. एक हमने क्या किया? एक नॉन 0 ले लिया, एक 0 ले लिया. तो इसका आंसर क्या आ रहा है? अभी 0 आ रहा है. एक एग्जांपल और ले लो. ओके, 5 into 0. तो इसका आंसर भी क्या आएगा? 0 आएगा. ओके, ये था फर्स्ट केस जब हमने एक को 0 लिया. जब हम दोनों को 0 लेंगे, ओके, सपोज सेकंड केस डैश मल्टीप्लाई बाय डैश इज इक्वल टू 0, मींस 0 मल्टीप्लाई 0 इज इक्वल टू 0. सो ये दोनों ही केस क्या है? ट्रू है. अगर आप एक 0 ले लो नंबर में से, चाहे दोनों को 0 ले लो, तो आपकी आउटकम क्या आएगी? वो 0 आएगी. ये था क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਜਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਇੱਕ 0 ਹੋਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਵੀ ਆਨਸਰ 0 ਆ ਰਿਹਾ, ਦੋਨੋਂ 0 ਹੋਣ ਤਾਂ ਵੀ ਆਨਸਰ 0 ਆ ਰਿਹਾ. ਨਾਓ third question. If the product of two whole number is 1, ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਕੀ ਹੈ? Product of two whole number is 1. Then there are two cases they are asking from us that what is the question? Can we say that one or both? First condition क्या है? इन दोनों में से हमने 1 को क्या लेना है? 1 लेना है. अगर आपने सपोज करो एक को 1 ले लिया, एक को कोई और नंबर ले लिया जैसे 2, तो इसका आंसर 1 नहीं आएगा, आंसर क्या आएगा 2 आएगा। तो फर्स्ट केस इसमें पॉसिबल नहीं है कि अगर आप दो नंबर में से एक को 1 लेते हैं, कोई और नंबर लेते हैं, तो आपके पास आंसर है वो क्या आएगा 1 नहीं आएगा। सो फर्स्ट केस इज नॉट पॉसिबल, दिस वन केस इज नॉट पॉसिबल। You have to take both of them 1, then you will only get answer 1, because 1 multiply 1 you only get answer 1। ओके बेटा, अंडरस्टूड। इसमें आपने क्या करना है, दोनों नंबर्स को ही 1 सपोज करना है, तभी आपके पास ये आंसर क्या आएगा 1 आएगा। नेक्स्ट फोर्थ क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस एक्सरसाइज, दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट्स डिपेंड अपॉन डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी। वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड विद डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन ओवर एडिशन। ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਤਿੰਨ ਟਰਮ ਆਉਂਦੇ, 3 terms are there, a b and c। first of all there is a multiply sign, then a plus sign, means if you have any two term, first term you will write as same, second you will distribute, ਪਹਿਲੀ ਉਦਾਂ ਹੀ ਲਿਖਣੀ ਹੈ, second ਨੂੰ distribute ਕਰ ਲੈਣਾ। ਫਿਰ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਮਲਟੀਪਲਾਈ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਰਨਾ, ਪਹਿਲੇ ਨੂੰ ਦੂਸਰੇ ਨਾਲ, first with second, then plus sign, then first with third। okay, ਪਹਿਲੇ ਦੋ ਦੀ ਮਲਟੀਪਲੀਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਪਲੱਸ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਦੀ ਤੇ ਤੀਸਰੇ ਦੀ ਮਲਟੀਪਲੀਕੇਸ਼ਨ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਐਡ ਕਰ ਲੈਣਾ। How we can do this? Check first part, 728 multiply 101। second number ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ, distribute ਕਰਨਾ। we have to distribute second number, this we can write 100 plus 1। first of all you will multiply this with 100, then with 1 by using this property। compare with this, a 728, b 100, c 1, then first this with 100, its answer right here, then plus sign, this multiply 1, its answer, then add them both, you will get the answer। so these all parts are same to same। first we will write this number, distribute it, multiply this with the first 1000, then with 1, with 1000 with 1, then add them, simply you will get your answer। it was a b part। then in c part same, how we can write 25, 20 plus 5, so then first we will multiply with the 20, then with the 5, add these both results, first multiply with 20, then with 5, add them both, you will get your answer। now this is different part, how you can do, you have two options, either you can write 100 plus 25, then multiply, you will get your answer। I told you one more way, you can distribute it in 3 numbers also, because it is over addition, you can apply this property। first you multiply with 100, then multiply with 20, then multiply with 5, add these all 3 terms, you will get your answer। so it was question number 4, it is very important, it's the last part, e part, that is for you people, that is quite simple, but it's a statement I am telling you। 504 multiply 35, 504 multiply 35, how you can write 504 35, how you can write 30 plus 5, firstly multiply with 30, then multiply with 5, 54 multiply with 30 plus 504 multiply with 5, add these both, you will get your answer, it is for you। okay, up to here you can understand, this is very very important question, very very important question। pause the video, watch it properly, you will get your solution। last question, one of the very important pattern of this exercise 2.3 and last question of this chapter। so how this pattern work, look there, these statements, this 1 2 3, this sequence is going on, 8 is fixed, these numbers are also increasing in sequence, these are fixed। now look how we can do this। first of all 8 is fixed, we want to write next 2 steps, 6 and here it will be 7, this side 9 8 7 6 5, after 5 what will come 4, 9 8 7 6 5 4 3, and this side this 8 will be fixed, this is also 5 6 7 5 6 4 5 3 2 3 4, and this 2 3 1 2, and here what will come 1। so this way this pattern works। okay, so this is your last question। thanks for watching my video, keep sharing with all your friends। okay, subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet। thanks।